boys and girls, on this front page, you are going to write 2 add-ins for each sum. So you need to write 2 numbers that equal 7, 2 numbers that equal 9, 2 numbers that equal 5. And I do not want just 1 plus something every time. You can do it on 1. The rest of them, I want you to find something else plus something else to equal those numbers. Okay? I'm going to let you have a few minutes to do that on your own. You may start. What are 2 numbers that can make 7, Landon?
4 and 3.
4 plus 3. Or we can switch them and have 3 plus 4, right?
Yeah.
What are some other ones that can make 7? Jason? Okay, 6 plus 1. What's another one? Kinley?
5 plus 2.
5 plus 2. Okay, is there any more? Okay. What, Chase?
7 plus 0.
Okay, 7 plus 0. I don't want that one. I hope you didn't do that one alone, did you? Okay. Number 9. How many ways can we make 9? Matthias? One way to make 9. 5 plus 4 or 4 plus 5, right? What's another way, Landon?
8 plus 1.
What's another way? Karen?
7 plus 2. 11.
What's another way? Grayson?
9 plus 0.
Okay, what's another way? Lena? 6 plus 3. All right, making 5. Lene?
3 plus 2.
3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3. What's another way? Chase?
1 plus 4.
What's another, is there another way besides?
No.
No, besides just 5 plus 0?
That's what I'm
That's the last one. Okay. You didn't write that on all of them, did you? 6. Ways to make 6, Isaac?
3 plus 3.
3 plus 3. What's another way? Ivan?
5 plus
5 plus 1. What's another way? Finley?
4 plus 2.
Yep. Okay. 4. How did we make 4, Jason? What's another way? Lena?
2 plus 2.
Okay, and 8. What's the way to make 8, Jaren?
4 plus 4.
What's another way? Grayson?
7 plus 1.
What's another way? Lene?
6 plus 2.
And what's the last way? Chase?
5 plus 2.
All right. Hope you guys have some of those on there. Next page. Break apart ones, subtract in 2 steps. Okay. If you have a big number, set 63 minus 7. Okay? The reason why they had you practicing finding ways to make numbers is because they want you to break apart one of the smaller number in here. Okay? So, breaking apart, when you are subtracting, you always have to have a big number first. Okay? You can never ever have the small number first. Because if you have a smaller amount of something, and I want to take a bigger amount away from you, can I do that?
No.
No. If you had 5 cookies, I cannot take 10 cookies away from you. Okay? We cannot do 5 minus 10. 5 minus 10 does not equal 5. It doesn't. You can't do that. It has to be 10 minus 5 because you can't have 5 cookies and I take 10 away from you. You don't even have 10. All you have is 5. The most I can take away from you is 5 cookies. I can take all your cookies away and leave you with 0. Right? But I can't take 10 away from you because you don't even have 10. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
That's why the big number always has to be first. All right? Does that make sense? Okay, so in this problem, 63 is first. When you look at this, I want you to find 63 on the number line. So, 63 right here, right? So put a dot right there where 63 is, please. Put a dot right on top of, on the number line of 63. Okay? Now, they want you to break apart 7 into 3 and 4. Because they're going to have you go back 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? But they just made one big jump. But I'm showing you what it means. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Going back 3 gets you to where? 60. How many more do we need to go so that we're actually minusing 7? How many more, guys? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. What is our answer?
56.
56. Okay? That is how they're wanting you to do that. Alright? Now, they only give you one number line. That kind of stinks. But you know what? We're going to use it. You might have to erase after you're done doing them, okay? So what I would do is I would write very light. Alright? I wouldn't make it a big, hard, dark line. I would write very light so it's easy to erase when you're done. Does that make sense? Alright, let's do number 1 together. 55 minus 8. What do we do first? Lena? No, first we find 55 on the number line. So everybody find 55 and put a dot. Remember our light dot. Okay? And then we're going to subtract 8. Now guys, if it's too confusing for you to break apart the 8, that's fine. But what they're trying to make you do is, you're at 55, they want you to go to a tens number. Okay? So if you take away 5, you get to a tens number, you get to 50. So 55, take away 5 is getting you to 50. Okay? If you took away 5, how much more would you need to take away? Kinley? 3 more. So at 50, you're going to go back 1, 2, 3. And what number did you land on?
47.
47. Okay, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so you find your number, you put a dot, and then you jump backwards whatever you need to subtract. Okay? All right. Let me see what else we have going on here. Okay, you have an underline for that one. Okay. Write the differences. Then write the next fact in the pattern. Before we go to partners, let's go to the hot problem on your own. All right. 50 mole 4. Let's read the directions. Write the differences. Then write the next fact in the pattern. Okay, 54 minus 5. They said it's 49. Okay, I agree with them, 49. Okay, so if 54 minus 5 is 49, then what's 54 minus 6? That's taking one more away. Take 1 away from 49. What's before 49? Think about it. What's before 49? Ivan? Yeah. If you're taking 1 more away, then you're taking 1 more away from 49, which is 48. Okay, now 54 minus 7. Landon? 47. Now we have to write our own. What's going to be the next pattern?
54.
54. Write that down. Minus.
6.
No, you did 6. 8. Yes, this is going up.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 54 minus 8 would equal what, Isaac? 46. See, it's just a pattern, guys. You have to look. Look at all the patterns in this place. All of them are 54. Look at the pattern of the second number. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's going up by 1. Then look at the pattern in this side on the answers. 49, 48, 47, 46 are going down by 1. Okay? Now let's find the patterns on this one. This is a little different. Look at all these on this side. 81, 71, 61. What do you think is going to be down here? We have 8, 1, 7, 1, 6, 1. What's the next pattern? Jaren?
5, 1.
5, 1, which is 51. Now let's look at all the pattern for the second number. What's the pattern for the second number? Manon? They're all minusing 4. So on ours, on the last one, you think we should minus 4 also? Yes, because that's the pattern. All right, now we don't have the pattern for all the answers yet, do we? Let's figure it out. If 81 minus 4 is 77, what do you think 71 minus 4 would be? Finley?
67.
Yes, 67. Now if 61 minus 4 would be, Grayson?
57.
57. Now look at this. 77, 67, 57. What is our answer for ours going to be? Isaac?
47.
47. Okay. Show our problem solving is addition right here. Then this one would be kind of like subtraction, but you're going to have to find the missing number, or you could do addition. You can't add 46 minus or plus 9 though. Oh, this one's subtraction too. So this one's addition, subtraction, subtraction. All right. This one's finding the missing number. The hot problem's finding the missing number. Samuel had 46 marbles.
Oh, that.
He gave some marbles to his friend. We don't know how many marbles he gave to his friend. He has 9 marbles left. Okay. That one is, there's a lot of marbles that he gave away. You might have to think about trying to make your own number line, or use, not this number line, use this number line. Okay, for that back one, and go to, is it 47 it started with? So you're going to erase this, go to 47 and go back 9 and
46.
Oh, 46 and go back 9. Okay, use your number line. Sound good? Okay. All right.